At the first, go to YouTube Studio right here. And then go to Customization into your dashboard right here. Customization. Go to Basic Info. Scroll down and you see this option, set the custom URL for your channel. You can choose two options. The first one, YouTube to consider according to your channel name, and the second one, you can add letter or number end of your URL. I prefer the first one. Choose this and click on Publish. It says once a custom URL set can be changed or transferred to a different channel. Confirm that and go to your YouTube channel. This is my last URL. I write my custom URL, youtube.com/c/self-mode. My custom URL is now enabled. Guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.